Here's a brief explanation of how VoIP works. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, is a technology that allows for voice communications and multimedia sessions over Internet Protocol IP networks, such as the Internet. It converts your voice signal into digital data, which is then encrypted and transmitted over the Internet as data packets. When you make a VoIP call, your voice signal is converted into digital data using a codec, a type of algorithm that encodes and decodes the signal. This digital data is then divided into smaller packets, which are encrypted for security. These packets are then transmitted over the Internet, where they are reassembled and decrypted at the recipient's end. At the recipient's end, the digital data is converted back into analog voice signal using a different codec. This process is known as digital to analog conversion. VoIP can be implemented in various ways, such as using computer-based VoIP software, IP phones, or an analog telephone adapter ATA that connects your traditional phone to a VoIP service. One advantage of VoIP over traditional phone systems is that it can be implemented using various devices and platforms. For example, you can use a computer, a smartphone, or a dedicated IP phone to make VoIP calls. This flexibility allows you to make calls from almost anywhere with an internet connection. However, there are also some challenges associated with VoIP. For instance, it's heavily dependent on a stable internet connection, which can be a problem if your internet goes down. Additionally, power outages can also cause issues, as VoIP relies on electricity to function. In summary, VoIP is a technology that allows for voice communications and multimedia sessions over IP networks. It converts your voice signal into digital data, encrypts it, and transmits it over the Internet as data packets. This flexibility and cost-effectiveness make it a popular choice for communication.